go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're going to be talking about kitchen island bar decor, and let's learn how to decorate your kitchen island bar with these tips and ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Kitchen island bars are a great way to add extra seating and storage to your kitchen. They can also be a great place to entertain guests or just enjoy a drink after a long day. In this video, we're going to discuss what kitchen island bar decor is, the benefits of choosing it, how to decorate your kitchen island bar to look good, and the best items for kitchen island bar decor. So, let's get started. Kitchen island bar decor is the art of decorating the space around your kitchen island bar. This can include adding bar stools, lighting, artwork, and other accessories. There are many benefits to choosing kitchen island bar decor. Some of the benefits include: first, increased seating. Kitchen island bars can add extra seating to your kitchen, which is great for entertaining guests or just enjoying a meal with your family. Second, additional storage. Kitchen island bars can also provide additional storage space for your kitchenware and appliances. Third, improved aesthetics. Kitchen island bar decor can help to improve the overall look and feel of your kitchen. There are a few tips that you can follow to decorate your kitchen island bar decor in order to look good. First, choose a style. Decide on a style for your kitchen island bar decor. This will help you to select the right furniture, accessories, and artwork. Second, use the right colors. Choose colors that complement the overall look of your kitchen. Third, add lighting. Lighting is essential for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in your kitchen. Fourth, accessorize. Add accessories to your kitchen island bar decor to personalize the space. There are many great items that you can use to decorate your kitchen island bar. Some of the best items include: 1. Bar stools. Bar stools are a must-have for any kitchen island bar. 2. Lighting. Pendant lights, track lights, and under-cabinet lighting are all great options for kitchen island bar lighting. 3. Artwork. Artwork can add a personal touch to your kitchen island bar decor. 4. Accessories. There are many different accessories that you can use to decorate your kitchen island bar, such as rugs, pillows, and throw blankets. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 best kitchen island bar decor ideas to inspire your next home project. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a rustic farmhouse charm, we've got you covered. 1. Pendant lighting. Dramatic pendant lights can instantly elevate the look of your kitchen island bar. Consider a cluster of 3 or a single statement piece. 2. Wine rack. A stylish wine rack can be a functional and decorative addition to your island bar. Choose a freestanding or wall-mounted option to suit your space. 3. Fresh flowers. A vase of fresh flowers can add a touch of nature and elegance to your kitchen island bar. Opt for seasonal blooms or dried flowers for a timeless look. 4. Bar stools. Comfortable bar stools are essential for any kitchen island bar. Choose stools that complement your kitchen style and offer ergonomic support. 5. Wall art. A piece of wall art can be a focal point for your kitchen island bar. Choose a piece that reflects your personal style and adds visual interest. 6. Rugs. A rug can define the space around your kitchen island bar and add warmth and texture to the floor. Choose a rug that is easy to clean and durable. 7. Countertop appliances. Stylish countertop appliances, such as a coffee maker or blender, can be both functional and decorative. 8. Cookbooks. A collection of cookbooks can add a touch of personality and inspiration to your kitchen island bar. 9. Greenery. Indoor plants can bring life and freshness to your kitchen island bar. Choose plants that are low maintenance and thrive in low light conditions. 10. Unique barware. A collection of unique barware, such as cocktail shakers, glasses, and bottle openers, can add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen island bar. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to decorate your kitchen island bar. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a style that you love and to have fun with it. If you're looking for more kitchen decor ideas, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.